In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background transparent using Canva, a simple yet powerful design tool that's accessible to beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're designing for social media, preparing a logo, or crafting any visual content, creating a transparent background can lend a professional finish that integrates seamlessly with various backgrounds and designs. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your browser. Once you're there, the crucial first step is to select the file you want to edit. Navigate through your design projects and find the one you want to work on. This step is about finding the right project you're ready to export with a transparent background, so take a moment to ensure you've selected what you truly need. Once you've opened the design file, you're ready for the next step. Now look toward the top right of your Canva screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this button to open up a range of options. In addition to sharing your design with others, Canva also allows immediate access to downloading options. Clicking on Share is like saying you're satisfied with what you've created and ready to move on to the finishing touches. After clicking Share, a menu will appear. Here, you'll want to look for the option titled Download. Click on this button. The download feature in Canva is excellent because it offers various formats and settings to ensure your final product matches exactly what you envision. Next, you'll notice a checkbox option that says Transparent Background. This is the key feature that allows you to make the background of your design invisible so it blends seamlessly wherever it's placed. Click on the checkbox. It's a powerful feature when you want your design elements to float over different backgrounds without a white or colored box encasing them. Now, once you've selected Transparent Background, it's time for the final step. Click on the Download button. Canva will process your request, which may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your design. This step exports your file in the desired format with the background removed, allowing for versatile use across different platforms and media. And there you have it, you've successfully made your Canva design background transparent. This simple process can significantly elevate your designs, making them flexible and ready for any project. Whether you're applying a logo onto various colored shirts or creating a digital icon that adapts to any setting, transparent backgrounds give you optimal flexibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you continue on your design journey with Canva. Happy designing!